The fate of the country's betting industry is still in abeyance as one of the largest players in the industry, that's Game Code Limited, which trades in the country as Betin, moved to court to challenge the government's decision not to renew its operating license. Well, Betin secured a temporary reprieve after the High Court suspended the decision to withdraw its license, but those affected by the government's crackdown on betting firms have expressed mixed feelings to the decision to enforce strict betting regulations. NTV's Brenda Wanga has the details.
It's midday in Nairobi's Umoja Estate, and Patrick Lumumba joins a handful of young men at a popular betting shop at the shopping center. He's been dipping in and out of the shop since 2015. He says he was introduced to betting by a friend.
Nimetumia 100 bob, nimeweka peti mbili, moja imechomeka ya 189, but nimepata ya 561.
Over the years, he says he has learned the ins and outs of the activity and is careful not to get too immersed in it. He says he knows when to fold up and count his losses, which have been as significant as his wins.
Kuna wale watu wamekuwa addicted, naweza sema kwa kupeti. Kuna watu wengine unapata maybe akipata 100 yake anakimbia tu.
While Lumumba has been able to draw the line, a good portion of those who engage in betting and gambling haven't.
Sasa wamewacha kazi, mambo yao ni ya kukaa. Wanataka tu betting, yani pesa rahisi.
And it is this lot that the government says it is keen to shield as it contemplates whether or not to renew the licenses of a good number of the betting and gambling firms. The government has not only deferred or suspended the licenses of at least 27 companies, it is also looking at deporting some of their directors. The government, through the Ministry of Interior, wants the companies to adhere to the regulations as set by the Betting Controller Licensing Board, as well as remit more taxes from the hundreds of billions they rake in profits. The betting industry will be hoping that the odds will be in their favor, even as the government continues to streamline the regulations that govern this multi-billion industry. Brenda Wanga, NTV, Nairobi.